Hey guys, it's me, and I have short hair. Like, I got it cut like 2 days ago, and I've never actually had short hair before, and it's crazy, and I like how it looks a lot, even though I look like a homeless person right now. I like how my hair looks. So, gonna actually get to the video now. So now here's the actual video. If you guys want to see how I styled this wig, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I did was put my wig on my foam head and I brushed it out. It was pretty tangly towards the part, so I just had to brush it out, and I did shed more. So I was just editing this video and realized the entire time I was brushing the wig, I was out of frame, so I'm sorry. I actually didn't cut this wig at all. I just took hairspray and pinched the ends and made them into points. I didn't need to trim this because it fit my face fine, but if you need to trim yours, I would trim them very slowly and in a vertical motion, or open and close my scissors while going up and down. Those are the best ways I find it. But honestly, for this wig and what I would be doing for this, I would probably do the opening and closing one instead of the vertical one. So I just kept pinching the ends and did it to where I thought it looked good, and I tried to move some of the hairs like in the direction facing backwards. Not backwards, like how hair would naturally flow. And then I took the wig off my head and put it on the foam stand, and then I sprayed it with hairspray to make sure it all stuck. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. My TikTok and Instagram will be in the description down below. Bye!